timeless, trendy yet comfortable, and an all-around top luxury experience. Very much worth a try. This is my 4th time staying at the Adria and it gets better every time. No other hotel competes with the Adria in terms of location, value for money, cleanliness, and charm in this part of London. Best stayed ever. The room was amazing, the staff was incredible. I will highly recommend it. We will be staying here again. My wife and I consider Adria our home in that beautiful part of London on Queen's Gate. Whether it is the location, the staff's consummate welcome smile, the attention to details, the charm of every room, all this makes the Adria the perfect choice whether I'm on holiday or I loved this boutique hotel. It's nestled in a perfect location close to Hyde Park in South Kensington. I started my day with a jog in Hyde Park, then off to explore beautiful London. The staff are extremely helpful but not intruding. The rooms are spacious and clean. I loved the water pressure and the fact that they had wooden floors rather than the usual wall. I will definitely come back, just fell in love with every little detail. Designer lamps, candle aromas, bedroom decor, and more. Thank you for also including a Quran in the room. My wife and I stayed at the Adria for one night during a stopover in London, and the only thing we wished we had was more nights. 5-star hotel all the way, with boutique hotels you never know, and the staff was very friendly. Highly recommend.